जहाँ लोग कंप्लेन करते हैं कि उनके पास टाइम नहीं है बहुत सारा काम के लिए, देयर इज़ वन सेलिब्रिटी हु हैज़ टेकन आउट टाइम टू स्पेंड some time and teach good values and good grooming lessons to this wonderful kids. तो हमारे साथ अमृता जी ने आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाया है. सबसे पहले मैं आपसे पूछने वाली हूँ कि एक बात जो आप घर जाके प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हो, मतलब सोचने वाले हो और करने वाले हो, क्या होगी?
About communication. हाँ? Communication.
Communication? Communication तो ठीक है. क्या करने वाले हो उसमें? क्या कैसे आप लोगों जो आपने सिखाया है इतनी देर, आप कैसे क्या करने वाले हो?
Phone manners, bag counting.
ठीक है, बोलो.
First, I will follow the grooming manners, like always eat food with a spoon. Then always wear sleepers in the house. And good communication. Be a good communication. Always it will help in our life.
हमें कम्युनिकेशन का मतलब क्या होता है?
कम्युनिकेशन मीन्स इंटरैक्शन.
इंटरैक्शन का मतलब क्या होता है?
हम एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं, दैट्स मीन्स इंटरैक्शन और कम्युनिकेशन. वी शुड टॉक विद ईच अदर. इफ वी आर टॉकिंग विद ईच अदर, देन वी शुड नॉट टॉक विद अदर पर्सन, वी शुड टॉक विद
पहले बताइए कि हाउ वाज योर, पहले आपके दिमाग में क्या था जब आपने ये शुरू की? थोड़ा मुश्किल होने वाला है क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली यू नो दे कम फ्रॉम रियली प्लेसेस वेयर दे डोंट नो अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग्स.
हाँ, मतलब सबसे पहली बात जो मैंने इन्हें कही कि मैं जो आपको पढ़ाने वाली हूँ वो आपकी किताबों में आपको कहीं मिलेगी नहीं, पर जो कुछ ग्रूमिंग स्किल्स थे, कुछ कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स थे, कुछ फ़ोन मैनर्स थे, कुछ लड़कियों ने बहुत ध्यान से सुना जो मैं कह रही थी.
सबने सब ध्यान से सुना कि नहीं सुना?
सुना.
आप घर में चप्पल पहन के चलते हो कि ऐसे ही चलते हो? ऐसे ही. अब से चप्पल पहनो. हाँ, चप्पल नहीं पहनते तुम तो अभी भी चप्पल नहीं पहने हो. हाँ, आपको अगर डिजीज हो गया तो जो सिखाया है
चप्पल पहनना है.
आई एम श्योर लॉट ऑफ देम माइट नॉट हैव द फैसिलिटी, some might not, like we say, might not even have slippers or forget phones. They might not have that access to it. पर उससे भी बढ़िया आपने अपेरेंटली बात की ऑफ वन गॉड, रिलीजन की आपने जो बात की.
They are all from different communities actually. You know, my grandmother had said something very beautiful to me when I was a kid. She said कि भगवान एक ही होता है. There's only one God. And just like, you know, you have one mother. I call her bahu, you call her mom, my son calls her wife, somebody calls her sister-in-law, पर वो है एक ही इंसान. वैसे ही भगवान सिर्फ एक ही होता है. What religion does God belong to? No religion. What does he belong to? He belongs to
भगवान की जाति
humanity. Humanity. That's what I taught them. Humanity. You love
इंसानियत.
You love someone, you get love back.
But I would also want to know कि do you think ऐसे चीज़ें, you know, you are doing it great. Sometimes celebrities also don't have that time and not everybody would come to a grassroots level. You've come here. तो वो करना भी ज़रूरी होता है. You kind of, I think, you know, your friends and everybody else should be a part of it also.
They want a lot of volunteers out there to come ahead and to contribute and to teach and impart any kind of knowledge that you want to. We have only one intention, that's to promote good quality education and brighten the future of India.
Like last time Vidya was talking about the fact that you know, she wanted to work with Shah Rukh, but she said that I don't think that's going to happen because मुझे लगता है उस खान मूवी में मेरी कोई जगह नहीं होगी because my role will be shrunk to it. And a lot of actresses are saying that, you know, now we want to stand front on our own.
So I think actresses are finding that confidence that they can be part of wholesome scripts on their own without any superstar standing next to them, and the film will find a basic audience. You know, the film will find good budget.
Would you also want to do that?
Of course, I would want to. I think when I entered the industry, that phase was slightly different. You know, there were only commercial films, and you know, the bigger commercial film it was, the more commercial success it was guaranteed.
You've been dating RJ Anmol, we've heard.
I've also heard.
No, but really, I mean, if that is true, if you guys are serious, can we know about it? And you know, are you?
Oh my God.
So
okay.
cute.
Now the thing is, you know, like Amrita has always said that when I have a personal life, I will share it with the media, but at the right time of the relationship. So I'm not hiding anything. It's great to be in a relationship.
We know how you've been really helpful towards him when he was ill, apparently, and how you've been taking care of him, which is very, very sweet, we think. And if that is how, we'd like to congratulate you for finding your right partner, if Anmol is the one.
बस मुझे ये लगता है कि मीडिया में मैंने मेरे बारे में इतने स्टोरीज पढ़े हैं. So believe what you want to believe.
I'm going to ask Amrita again.
जिस स्टोरी में मजा आए उस स्टोरी को बिलीव कर दो.
Are you dating Anmol? Silence? Golden silence?
What is the filmy term? We're just.
I am.
No, I like I said, you know, whoever I date would be a very special person, and I will make the announcement when it's appropriate.
She hasn't said to be noted, she hasn't said a no. How did you react to the whole incident when you heard that a man behaved in that certain manner with Preeti Zinta?
As a woman, you obviously do not want any man to abuse you, and definitely not in public. You know, I think firstly, that first, you know how it is, that one crack in the mirror spoils it forever. You know, it lasts forever. So you should not give scope for that to happen. And when that happens, you should stand on your own and protest against it, so that it doesn't happen again with you.
There you are. She stands by what she believes in, and I thank you, Amrita, for that.